Most fitness videos on YouTube will show you a handful of exercises. Push-ups here, pull-ups there, maybe a fancy move to catch your attention. But let me ask you this. How many videos have actually given you a complete A to Z roadmap of calisthenics, from absolute zero to building real functional strength? Exactly. Almost none. And that's why most beginners quit. They try a few exercises without knowing the bigger picture. They get confused about what to eat, when to train, and how to progress. Within a week, they lose hope, make excuses, and give up. But not after today. Because in this video, I'm going to give you the complete calisthenics blueprint. You'll learn what calisthenics actually is, why it's more powerful than traditional gym workouts, how to start from absolute zero, the exact 30-day roadmap to follow, a simple, student-friendly diet plan to fuel your body, the biggest mistakes you must avoid, and most importantly, the mindset shift that will keep you consistent and disciplined. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to train, but you'll also have a clear strategy to transform your body and your mind. So grab a notebook and a pen, because this roadmap could change your life. What is calisthenics? Let's start with the basics. Calisthenics is a form of training where you use your own body weight to build strength, endurance, flexibility, and coordination. No machines, no expensive gym memberships, no fancy equipment, just your body and gravity. Think about movements like push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, plank, and as you grow stronger, you progress to advanced moves like muscle-ups, handstand, human flags. It's literally about turning your body into your own weapon. Why choose calisthenics over the gym? Most people join the gym because they think lifting weights is the only way to build a good body. And sure, lifting can build muscle, but calisthenics goes beyond muscle size. Here's why calisthenics is superior for overall strength and fitness. Functional strength. You build strength that's actually useful in real life. Fat loss plus lean physique. Calisthenics burns fat while shaping a lean athletic body. Posture and coordination. Your core and stabilizer muscles get stronger. Equipment-free. You can train anywhere. Home, park, or even your bedroom. Agility and speed. Gym machines make you strong in one direction. Calisthenics makes you strong in every direction. Discipline and control. You develop mastery over your body, just like Bruce Lee did. Gym training might give you size, but calisthenics gives you strength, control, and agility, the ultimate combination. Common myths about calisthenics. Before we go further, let's crush some myths that stop beginners from even starting. You can't build muscle with calisthenics. False. Push-ups, pull-ups, and dips overload your muscle fibers the same way weights do. Muscle growth is about progressive overload, not equipment. Calisthenics will stop your height growth. This is nonsense. Science clearly shows that exercise, whether calisthenics or gym, does not stunt growth. In fact, training improves posture, strengthens bones, and supports healthy development. Calisthenics is only for advanced athletes. Number. Every athlete once started as a beginner. You can start with incline push-ups, wall holds, and knee push-ups. Everyone can begin from zero. You need a gym to get strong. No again. Your body is the only gym you need. The floor is your bench, the wall is your bar, and gravity is your weight. 7-day kickstart plan for absolute beginners. If you're starting at absolute zero, don't jump into advanced moves. Your first 7 days should be about building habit and discipline while preparing your body. Here's your 7-day beginner routine. Repeat daily for 1 week. Incline push-ups. 3 sets of 12 reps. Wall pull hold. 3 sets of 10 seconds. Knee push-ups. 3 sets of 10 reps. Bodyweight squat. 3 sets of 15 reps. Plank hold. 3 sets of 30 seconds. Stick to this for 7 days. It builds your base. The 30-day roadmap now comes the real transformation. I've broken this down into 3 phases of 10 days each. Phase 1. Day 1 to 10. Activation and mobility. Goal. Activate muscles. Improve blood flow. Increase mobility. Incline push-ups. 3 by 12. Wall pull hold, 3 by 10 seconds. Knee push-ups, 3 times 10 air squats, 3 times 15 plank hold, 3 times 30 seconds. Phase 2, day 11 to 20, building foundation. Goal: strength plus controlled reps. Push-ups, 4 by 10. Australian pull-ups, 3 by 8. Jump squats, 3 by 12. Plank shoulder tap, 3 by 10. Leg raises, 3 times 10. Phase 3, day 21 to 30, skills and endurance. Goal: push your limits, burn fat, improve control. Diamond push-ups, 4 by 10. Negative pull-ups, 3 by 5. Jump squats, 3 times 15. Hollow body hold, 3 times 20 seconds. Handstand hold, against wall, 3 times 30 seconds. Follow this roadmap with consistency, and in 30 days, you'll feel like a new person. Student-friendly diet plan. Training without diet is like building a house without bricks. Let's keep it simple, affordable, and effective. Morning, empty stomach, 1 glass water, 1 banana, plus 4 almonds. Post-workout, breakfast, oatmeal or 1 boiled egg, soaked and boiled soybeans. Lunch, 1 to 2 rotis, flatbreads, or rice lentils or light curry. Salad, cucumber onion. Evening snack, roasted peanuts or chickpeas. Lemon water, dinner, 2 to 3 rotis with vegetables. Light salad daily essentials. Drink 2 to 4 liters of water. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. This plan is cheap, nutritious, and packed with proteins, carbs, and fiber. Everything you need for recovery. Mistakes to avoid. Most beginners fail because of these 3 mistakes. Wrong form. Rushing through exercises with bad form leads to injuries and slow progress. Focus on quality, not just quantity. Too many breaks. Don't skip workout. 1 rest day per week is enough. Consistency greater than intensity. Ignoring diet. You cannot out-train a bad diet. Food is fuel. Treat it like one. Mindset and motivation. Let me be real with you. Calisthenics, or any fitness journey, is not about 1 or 2 days. It's about discipline and consistency. There will be days when you feel tired, days when your body aches, days when results don't show immediately. That's when most people quit. But here's the truth. Results take time. Progress is slow. And that's okay. Because every rep you do is a brick you're laying. Remember what David Goggins says, if you want to be powerful, you need to get comfortable with pain. So don't chase quick results. Chase consistency. Build discipline. Because once you master your body, you master your mind. And once you master your mind, nothing in life can stop you. Outro, call to action. So, there you have it. A complete A to Z Calisthenics Road Map. You now know what calisthenics is, why it's better than just lifting weights, the myths you should ignore, the 7-day kickstart and 30-day plan to follow, a student-friendly diet to fuel your gains, and the mistakes you must avoid. Now it's your turn. Start this 30-day challenge today. Comment below "Started" if you're joining the journey. And if you know someone who wants to get fit but can't afford a gym, share this video with them. Make sure to subscribe to the Iron Body, because in the next video, we'll dive into advanced calisthenics skills and how to master them step by step. Until then, stay fit, stay disciplined, and remember, your body is your weapon. Use it.